Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2023 Ford Expedition. Like I said, it's a 23 Expedition in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then we need to fold this glove box down, and there's two stops that are preventing it from coming down. You can see I'm touching that stop with the end of my finger right here. And if you look, there's kind of this cutout piece right here. What I'm going to do is get my finger behind that piece and just push on it like that. And as I do that, you can see it allows that stop to clear. Then we'll come over here and do the same thing to this side. And if you have both your hands free, it's really easier to do these both at the same time. But again, I'll just get my finger behind there and push it like that. And as I did that, this one popped back up. So once you get that the glove box to fold down about that far past those stops, then this whole glove box assembly will just pull off of here. It's just sitting on some hinges. Set that down, and then we'll take a closer look in here. So taking a look in here, this honeycomb shaped item right here, this is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's these clips on the side that you can just kind of get your finger on, these hooks. Just get your finger around it like that, and it'll pop it off. And we can pull that access door off. Now we see our actual filter right here. So slide your filter out, and then when you're putting your new replacement filter in, make sure you're paying attention to these airflows. You want your airflow arrows pointing down towards the ground. So once you have your new filter slid in there, again with your airflow arrows pointing down, then we can reverse everything we just did to close it up. So I'll grab my access door, and there's these clips on the side that we unhooked, but then there's also these two clips on the bottom, or these two kind of hooks, I guess. And you can see the notches that they go in here and here. So that's kind of what you need to line up first. Put those hooks on the bottom into those holes. And again, if you have both your hands free, this part will be a little bit easier. So get those hooks on the bottom in place and then snap that on. Now we're going to grab our glove box assembly, and you can see that there's these three hinges here, here, and here, and those are going to snap on here, here, and here. So let's go ahead and line those up. So it's going to be a little bit hard to get a shot. Oh, here, I can get a shot of this one right here, though. So you just kind of line those up like that, and then they'll push on there. Go over here. You can kind of see that one right there. But so once they're on there, what I like to do is you just give it a little bit of a push down, and you kind of hear it click on. And then that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.